Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. I wanted to talk to you today because I had a customer who asked me if he wants to do a business offer service of wet blasting, what would he need to charge? So I got to looking, and in the industry it really depends. You want to look at your specs, you want to look at the size of the part, you want to look about how complex the design is, how much time it's going to take you to blast it. There are a lot of shops that will do an hourly rate. We charge $85 an hour to start. There are other shops who, if they have a large project, they'll charge per part. A lot of times you can pull it from like your labor rates that mechanics use up to about $250 an hour. So it really can be very lucrative. It'll help you pay for your machine in no time. Give us a call. Any questions you might have, how we can be of service today. My number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.